Hello happy people, this is Carpenter with RV Crazy. So, do some of you have a problem with your RV door handle getting a little sloppy? Yeah, it doesn't work as well as it used to. And there are two springs inside of here which help it to latch. So, let's get those replaced. To access them, there are two screws on the inside of the door handle. See if I can do this one-handed. I'm lucky I won't lose the screws. There you go, two screws. Okay, now this handle just slides right off. And as you can see, two springs, and they are obviously not tight anymore. They are actually broken. See how it's sharp there at the end? Oh, it can focus. And this one here is broken and the other end is still on there. Yep, broken springs. Let's replace them. So I grabbed this pack from Home Depot. It looks to have the right spring in there, the small ones. We shall see if they are a little bit too short and I might want to stretch them out, but I think they're gonna be pretty good. Okay, here's the new springs. Let's see if we're lucky enough to drop them both. 1, 2. Let's just set one down for now. So let's see if we can get it in. Ooh, one-handed. This is gonna be fun. There we go. One spring. Two springs. Oh wow, that's tight. Might be a little bit too tight. So let's give her a try. Ooh, that latch is nice and tight now. Very nice. You gotta kind of give her a little bit more of a pull now. I like it. Feels nice and tight. No more loose door handle. I think it actually tightens up the gap a little bit too, because in the catch, block that light. In the catch, there's kind of two steps in there, which makes it so it used to just catch on the first one and the door would be a little bit loose, but when the springs were good, they get all the way into that second catch and really hold the door tighter. Very nice. Recently installed a new deadbolt as well, because mine decided to puke out its guts when it froze out. Cool. All done, now I can go to work. Hope you all are having a great day, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.